Good evening, folks. Drew Rathgeber here with ProGoldTrader.com/ProFuturesTrader.com. We're going to go ahead and do a quick introduction. I'm going to do a whole educational piece on our latest software offering. As you can see, it's a beautiful setup. You've got the charts, you've got the depth of market, you've got all the quotes that you see right there. So I'm going to do a deep dive on this. This is just an overview. I'm going to segment it out in different chapters. We'll get into options, we'll get into risk management, and a whole educational tutorial piece. But in saying that, it also comes with a phone app, so you always know where your money stands versus a lot of those spot dealers out there. If you have a storage account, for instance, you really don't know where your account stands at all times. You're just sent a statement. A little bit different with us, a little bit more sophisticated. Now, in saying that, you don't necessarily have to use the software. You can just call the order in, and that's fine, and I'll place the order for you. You'll still get your statement, but this is just another level, very intuitive, web-based, no download necessary, no updates. So it's very simple to use and stay current with this particular newer software offering that we have now. So let's go ahead and do a deep dive. Hey folks, all right, let's go ahead, and this is just a basic educational piece on the layout I designed just for you gold and silver investors and traders. So here is the layout. You can see you've got right here the charts. This is, what are we looking at right now? This is platinum I'm looking at right here. This is your standard order entry tab here. Very simple. You got your buy and you've got your sell. You can go and click on that. And then you've got your depth of market. Full disclaimer, this is my demo, so this isn't a full piece. But if it was the live version, you'd see the full depth of market. Why do we use this? Well, just kind of gives you an overview of kind of where everyone's sitting and really a snapshot of the liquidity. So because you can run into liquidity issues if you go way too far out in time. But here you can see the biggest value proposition. I still cannot believe that people will pay $30, $60, $90 spreads in the spot market. Right here, you can see we got 0.7, 0.9, so you got a what? 20-cent spread. Huge, huge cost savings. I just blows me away that those spot storage accounts, people will self-sacrifice, like I said, 30, 60, and those are just massive trading trading costs, I should say, especially on the spot storage, because those spot storage accounts, the account executive will treat them like a trading account, get you to trade as much as you can. So right here, you can see those 20, 30-cent spreads. Sometimes it's 10 cents, sometimes it's 30 cents, but just absolutely, I can't stress this enough, how important and detrimental to your overall success that spread will be. You can see here, I've got my quote board. Here's that new 1 ounce contract. I really like for you small traders, and then we got the 10-ounce gold. Then we've got the full size, which is GC, which is 100. I mean, isn't that crazy? You buy 100 ounces of gold, 100 ounces for less than $100. I'm just putting that number out there, but if you are a big player, and I've got clients that trade 20 of these at a time, 20 to 30 contracts at a time, and if you were to do that in the spot market, you would get destroyed in spread charges and fees. But saying that, so you've got the micro silver. Here's a 1,000 ounce. Here's palladium. Here's platinum. So I designed this just for you gold and silver guys. The neat thing is I've got these all linked. So you see this little green dot. So they're all linked. So when you click on any of these contracts or products, so like the 1 ounce here, you can go ahead and it will turn all of your quote board depth of market and everything. It will automatically turn to those. So there's the 1 ounce. There's copper, and it just changed everything to copper. So let's go to the 1 ounce real quick. I'm going to show you. Right now, I'm long 3 from 2889.67. Again, this is a demo account. I'm not actually long. But let's say I want to go and buy one at the market. Okay. In literally 1 to 2 seconds, I just bought 1 ounce of gold at 2888.50. Okay. Pretty straightforward. And then I can come down to my account summary and see exactly my cash in the account, okay, live. And we even have a phone app that goes with this. So the level of transparency that you get with this versus a spot trading account is just ridiculous. But anyhow, so here's the balance that you can see your mark to market. You can see the cash in your account. Then you can see position by commodity. You can see I'm long 4, 10 ounce. I'm long 1. And then here's the order working log. This is really important. So I feel like ETFs and spot trading accounts should be illegal because the commodity markets, the gold and silver markets trade all night long, and you don't have access to execute transactions in most of those spot accounts or even those ETFs. I just shocking to me. So if gold were to drop, say, $100 on Sunday night, with us, you can execute those trades, and your limits and stops will be working. Huge risk management plus with that. So let's say, for instance, I'm long from this level. I want to put a stop loss, say, right here. I can go ahead and do a stop right there. So I'm going to click this button, and there you go. So now you can see my sell working right here, 1 at 28.49 and a quarter. Okay. Now, if I want to modify from right here, I can just right click on it and click modify order. Okay. And I can click which is kind of neat. I can change it from a day to a GTC. So good to cancel. Now it's GTC. So you can see that right here, the duration, GTC. So on any of these orders, I can go ahead and modify these orders right here. I can even cancel them. Now, I will say with the software, I've been using it for a couple months, and what you get used to, there's little, you almost have to need a magnifying glass, but once you get used to it, you get used to it. So here's my cancel button right here, and cancel there. I can cancel there. I can modify. So I'm just showing you how quick and simple it is to make modifications, duplicates. I've got another guy that likes to download the order details and send it to his clients. Now, in saying that, if you want to still call your orders in, you can call your orders in, and I will take your order for you. But saying that, so you can really very simply alter and change your orders right here. So this is just a basic overview. I'm going to make this short, sweet, and simple, but for you guys out there, I think you're starting to get my message, with the spot industry. And again, so here's those spreads I'm always, screaming about. The goal is to preserve your wealth, not inadvertently transfer it to your spot dealer through those outrageous spreads. What they don't tell you is quite often is, those are trading accounts, and they try to get you to trade a lot. Next thing your money's now with them through those spreads. With us, there is a small commission with each transaction. It is transparent. It's on your statement. You fully see exactly where you're at. But this is the layout for the software. Pretty straightforward. I'm going to do another lesson on just the charts, the page layout. We're going to do a much deeper dive, but this is just a basic overview. And again, don't forget, we do have a phone app that is available with it as well. So hope you guys have a great trading day. Take care.